Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video. I'll be talking about web development and my journey as an entrepreneur, building apps that I find useful and hopefully you do as well. I'll be sharing tips along the way and my successes and my failures, um, and I hope you'll learn from them. And if you want to support me, just give me a like and subscribe. Um, I'm just starting my journey in building a Mac app called Luma, and I'll do a separate video about that. But a bit about myself is I live in Los Angeles, where I was born and raised. I work at Microsoft during the day, and at night I indie hack. And I'm starting this journey to replace my 9 to 5 job by building apps that I love and buy back my time. So, um, if you find any of the tips or anything that I say here useful, please give me a like and subscribe. Thanks, and I'll catch you in the next one.